Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with HubSpot subscriptions and payments, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with HubSpot subscriptions and payments, begin by navigating to the HubSpot developer account. Log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, go to the Apps section from the dashboard. Click on Create an App to start a new integration for your subscription and payment processes. You will be prompted to fill out the app details, including the name and any necessary descriptions. Next, configure the scopes for your app. Select the permissions you require to manage subscriptions and payments effectively. After configuring the scopes, click on Create App to save your settings. Once the app is created, navigate to the Auth section in the App Settings. Here, you will see the option to set up your authentication method. Choose the OAuth 2.0 option for a robust authentication process. You will need to enter the redirect URL where HubSpot will send users after they authenticate. Ensure that this URL is accurately specified, as it will be critical for your integration. After setting up the redirect URL, copy the client ID and client secret presented on this page. These credentials will be necessary for authenticating API requests. Next, create a HubSpot user or an account that has the necessary permissions to access the subscription and payment features. From your app settings, generate an authorization URL using your client ID. You will use this URL to initiate the OAuth flow for user authentication. Once users click on the authorization URL, they will be directed to HubSpot to grant your app the necessary permissions. After successful authorization, users will be redirected to the specified URL with an authorization code included in the URL parameters. Capture this authorization code, as it is essential for obtaining an access token. Using the authorization code, make a post request to the HubSpot token endpoint. Include the client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in your request. Upon a successful request, you will receive an access token that allows you to make authenticated API calls. Store this access token securely, as it will be needed for subsequent API requests involving subscriptions and payments. You may also receive a refresh token, which you can use to obtain a new access token when the current one expires. Now that you have authenticated, you can proceed to integrate the subscription and payment functionalities. Refer to the HubSpot API documentation for specific endpoints related to subscriptions and payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.